it's me, Tia again. I'm playing a map. Look, adventuring map. They done a great job in this. It's just in our house. There are days in our house. Yeah. Okay. Let's look outside. Ah, there's a car. That's a weird car. Maybe it's a bike. I don't know. Sorry. Okay, now I know there's something here. I looked around the place. Yep, the house. I think I went the wrong way. Oh, I didn't. Okay. Oh, this is the house. Okay, it's not gonna look the same because I added some stuff that I like. This stuff. Picture over here. This is not gonna be here. Let's go there now. There's a place here. Kinda weird. If you see my voice is different like the old video, or do you see my voices already the same? I don't know. And here's the kitchen. Yeah. Okay, not much, but it's in the map. Sorry, I'm walking to the tables. Okay, now here's the fridge. Hey, open up. Yep, it's not working. 0.14. I think they built this in the old version. Nothing. Okay. Okay, just put it there, okay? Don't mind me. Oh, yeah, I'll put it there. If you want to see the whole map, here's the whole map. We're over there. There. There's the furnaces. Here's the garage. It's a cool car. It's taking over here. Brum brum. Gonna get some coal over here. Now that's the real fridge. You have two fridge. True fridge. And this is my bedroom. Yep, Tia. That's me in real life. My name. And you wonder why I sat down. I put a bed over there. That's like a real bed. Wait. Maybe that. Okay. And there's the closets. So there's no chest. I just put the chests. You know. Open up. Then I put this money. Because me and my sister were playing. If you know Tiffany. Ate Tiffany for me. Here's a chest. Why is that we can't open? Okay. Remember, I didn't put the chests. I put the chest in it. You're not gonna see that. And I picked this one because there's everything on it. Is your bathroom working? Doesn't work. Meh. I don't know what it is. Oh, I think this is a sink. Yep, this is a sink. Where's sink? Sorry. Okay. I think that's a flush. Good toilet. Fine. I put a lot of bottoms there. Let's get the bedrooms. There's Baby Lily and Lillian's. Oh, I think it's in here. Philip and Max. Oh, what's that? Didn't see this before. Oh, just this. If you can hear me snore, I'm sorry, guys. There's some stuff. I don't play much here, only at the school. Also this is full in cobwebs, but I make it into a secret room. I mean, a locked room. Just in survival, just getting the. I'm just getting the lever. Then it's like I'm the only one that can go in. And here's just chairs. There's that. There's that. There's daddy's. Dum. I just saw that. I'll look into here. Night restroom. This is my sister's room. His real name in Minecraft is I'm gonna tell her in a minute, but not today. So that's all. So if you want me to play here, put down the comments below. Remember, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Sorry. This is where we're gonna start. Thank you for watching again. Bye.